Hey guys, this is Ms. Martinez, and today we're going to talk about turning standard form to scientific notation. Okay, so first we have our date, which is the 4th, and we're going to go from scientific to standard form, so we're basically doing the opposite of yesterday, and my page number is 19. Our learning target is convert scientific to standard form, which is our topic as well. And our essential question is, what is the process for converting between scientific notation to standard form? Okay. So the steps are, number 1 is move the decimal the same number of places as the exponent. Okay. And step number 2, you're either going to do one or the other. So if your exponent is positive, you're going to move to the right to make that number a bigger number, right? If your exponent is a negative, you're going to move to the left, the same number of places as the exponent. Okay. The reason we do that is so we can make it smaller. Okay. So let's look at some practice so that way we can see what's going on. Okay. So in the very first one, we got 7.83 times 10 to the power of 7. Okay. So I'm going to write down just the first number, 7.83, and then my exponent is a positive, so I'm going to go to the right. Positive and right. Okay, it has to be a big number. It's not a small number like the number for the mass of an electron. It's a big number. Okay, so I know here's my decimal. I'm going to go to the right 7 times because that's what my exponent is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's where my new decimal place will be. Okay, what I do now is I just put in the zeros into the spaces. And then my final answer is this number right here. Let me see what that number is. Okay, it's 78,300,000. So that is my standard form for that scientific notation number. Okay, let's look at this one. 2.5 times 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so I'm going to write 2.5. This is positive. So if it's positive, we're going to the right. We're going to go to the right 4 places. Okay, so my decimal is here. I'm going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my new place. And then I fill in with zeros. Okay, so I got, what number do we have? 25,000. That's going to be my standard form. Okay. All right. So let's do the next one. We got 8.345 times 10 to the negative 6. So first I'm going to write down the first number. And then I'm going to, or actually, let me put it more in the middle. I'm going to get this decimal, and then I'm going to look at my exponent, and it is negative, right? So I'm going to the left. Okay, so to the left, I'm going to go 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's my new decimal place. So I got 0 point, and then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can continue on with the rest of the numbers. Okay, and that's the standard form for that scientific notation. Let's do this one. You got 3. 3, the decimal place for that one will be right after it. This is negative, and if it's negative, we're going to the left. Okay, so we're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, because that's my exponent. Fill in the zeros, and we have our new standard form number. Okay. All right, that's 5.9, 5.9, and then we're going to move it 16 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of zeros. How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 zeros. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. right? That's my number right here. Okay. For the last one, let's do this one. 1.052. We got -8, so I'm going to go to the left. Okay, so I'm going from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 5, 2. There we go. All right. Okay. Don't forget to write your summary. And then for the highlighting part, let's go ahead and highlight. Okay. Let's do positive. When it's positive, you move right. And when it's negative, you move left.